Ready to shine a spotlight on your business in a crowded market? Join me as we unravel the art of striking the perfect balance with a pricing and positioning strategy that elevates your small business. Time to turn on the spotlight. Let's make your business the star of the show. Hello, small business owners. Welcome back to our hub of business wisdom, where your visions turn into reality. If you're new, be sure to hit that subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss out on our empowering content. Today, we're diving deep into the art of crafting a pricing and positioning strategy that hits the sweet spot between value and perception. If you haven't yet, grab your small business marketing strategy template from the link below. It's your blueprint to business brilliance. Now let's get started. Pricing and positioning are like the twin pillars holding up your business temple. Pricing is about determining the right value for your products or services, while positioning is about carving out a unique space in the minds of your customers. First, let's talk about dollars. Setting the right price is a balancing act. You need to cover costs, make a profit, but also offer value. So research your costs, understand your competitors' pricing, and gauge what it is you think your customers are willing to pay. Now, price isn't just a number, it's a perception of value. What additional benefits or experiences can you offer? Are you the luxury choice, or are you the budget-friendly option? Align your price with the value you deliver and ensure your customers feel the worth. Let's sculpt your space in the market with brand positioning. What makes you different? How do you want customers to perceive you? Identify your unique attributes and ensure they resonate with your target audience's needs and desires. Survey the competitive landscape. Identify the gaps and opportunities. Where can you position yourself to be the go-to choice? It's about being in the right place at the right time with the right offer. Consistency is the golden thread weaving through your pricing and positioning. Ensure that your messaging, your branding, and your overall customer experience are harmonious. Consistency builds trust, and trust builds a loyal customer base. Now, don't forget to validate. Test your pricing and positioning, gather feedback, and be willing to adapt. The market is dynamic, and staying attuned to its shifts can give you a competitive edge. So are you ready to master the pricing and positioning? Our small business marketing strategy template is your guiding light. If you haven't downloaded it yet, hit the link in the description. It's a comprehensive guide designed to illuminate your path to success. There you have it. If this video added value to your small business, please give it a thumbs up, share it with other small business owners, and leave your comments and thoughts in the comments below. Thanks so much, and join us in the next video as we keep working through the development of your small business marketing strategy.